Hello cottage friends, and welcome back to my channel, Cottage Necessities. Sometimes I get busy cooking and I think to myself, oh, I should be filming this and sharing it with my YouTube friends. And Mom's recipe for tamale pie is one of my favorites. I haven't seen anyone else do it this way with polenta. It's delicious. I'm using mozzarella cheese here, but you can use cheddar or jack. It's up to you. I just used what I had on hand. Now here I'm using organic polenta, but back in the day Mom was using cornmeal mush. So if you have that on hand, go ahead and use it. Now if I don't have a big family to serve this to, I like to cut it up and put it in containers and keep some in my freezer for when I get a real hunger for some real good comfort food.